Many old-timers say the chain tension is hard to adjust. Let me show you how. First, grab the chainsaw, remove the side cover, make sure it's unplugged. For safety, I've got 3 square drive sprockets for you. They fit most home chainsaws. There's a 100 size, a 125 size, and a 150 size. Pick the right one for your saw, put it on the drive shaft, adjust the sprocket. The others are spares, don't install them. Put the anti-slip ring on the saw's neck. If the saw is too big, you can skip the ring. Now loosen the clamp screws. Open the mouth a bit. Adjust the shaft's square slot. Fit the sprocket into the slot. Line it upright. Hand, tighten the clamp screws on both sides. Do this on both sides. Use a hex wrench. Tighten the clamp screws on both sides. Okay, now let's adjust the chain tension. Flip the saw over. There's a tensioner on top. Adjust the screw. Use the hex wrench to turn it. If it won't turn, what do? Flip the saw back over. Use the hex wrench. Loosen the cover screws. Flip it over again. Adjust the tensioner. Turn the screw. Reverse loosens the chain. Now it's loose. Too loose. The chain might fall off. How tight should it be? Between chain and bar, 5 to 6. M gap is good. Chain should move freely on the bar. Next, tighten cover screws and attach safety guard. Screw it on. Use hex wrench to tighten guard screws. Both of them. Last step, attach the handle. Screw it on before starting. Add some oil to the tank. It lubricates chain and bar and knows sprocket need oil. No oil can burn bar or increase chain friction. Let's plug it in and try it. Whoa! Too fast. This works great.